Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to remove Mailchimp from Footer. It's a step-by-step guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So the very first step that we are going to take is that we're going to simply sign in to our Mailchimp account. So here we have our dashboard, and what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our campaign section in the left hand side. Go to all campaigns and click on it. Now, when you click on all campaigns, go to the campaign that you would like to edit. So here, you can go to your edit section. Say for example, we're gonna have this untitled um, campaign here, and then go to your content section and edit the design. When you edit the design, you will be routed to your editor page. Now, if you scroll down below, you can actually see your Mailchimp logo. If you want to remove it, what you're going to do is to simply click on it, and basically your referral badge will show. So, as you can see, our disable button has been disabled. So you need to upgrade to remove Mailchimp branding from your forms, emails, and landing pages basically. So you need to upgrade before you can disable that one. What you can do is that you can just simply change your badge style to dark or light. And basically that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this tutorial helpful.